My name is Daisy, I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw raindrops splashing. So the first thing we're going to draw is draw a straight line across to kind of show the ground so we know where they're going to be splashing. The easiest way to draw raindrops coming down is just lines. So if you think about it, that's all we see when we see rain. So we just draw long lines, short lines, all coming down. And they can cross over the ground line because they could be the distance. So if we've got our rain coming down, now for the splashing, what we want to do is just draw little lines that come out like this. And do a little flick with your wrist. And that way, it'll look like they've just hit and they've splashed up. You can do 3, you can do 4 lines. Depends on how big your raindrop. And sometimes I even like to draw the line still coming up. So it looks like it's just come down and hitting, because rain moves so fast. And you can draw as many, and you can even draw little tiny ones in the back. And it looks like you got a bit of distance going. You've got lots and lots of rain. And little ones at the front for little raindrops. You can even draw lines coming off if it was really big. Just to give it that impact. And there we go. My name is Daisy, and that's how you draw raindrops splashing.